When you're looking at women's hybrid bikes, the biggest features you need are lightweight, durable frame, and enough gears to help you perfectly dial in your speed based on the terrain you're tackling. The right gearing can help you easily clear country trails, maintain consistent speeds on city asphalt, and give you the power needed to climb those steep hills. Most people think you need to spend a huge amount of money to get this perfect balance of features. While hybrid bikes aren't always the cheapest type of bike to buy, especially when they are built with high-quality parts and proven construction, it's possible to find great bikes at competitive price tags, as long as you know what to look for. Introducing the XDS Women's Cross 300 Hybrid Bike. XDS may be a brand that isn't as well known as other brands, like Schwinn for instance, but they are building a great reputation in the industry and are becoming known for manufacturing high-quality bikes. The Women's Cross 300 is built with a 44 frame, using lightweight alloy metals, painted white with classic black accents, and has been designed with a focus on moving quickly and comfortably down city sidewalks. Even though the focus has been on city sidewalks, XDS understands what hybrid means and gave you the features needed to navigate over rough terrain and rocky hills with ease. There's a lot to love with the Cross 300, starting with the suspension that's been fine-tuned for both city and country riding. This is one of the few bikes we've found that has been catered to a woman's needs, making it easy to mount and dismount, with a great frame design that helps you keep the perfect posture even during those long rides. You won't have to deal with the aches and pains when you're on the Cross 300. How does this bike perform? Results have been really great with this bike, and it definitely outshines many of the other hybrid women's bicycles on the market. What makes the Cross 300 different than nearly every other hybrid bike on the market is how it is designed to transition seamlessly from cruiser bicycle to true road bike. The lightweight frame and the 24 gears that it gives you provides the best riding experience possible, whether you are on the beach or on the pavement. The Velo Comfort Trekking synthetic leather saddle seat makes your ride easy and comfortable. Should you buy this bike? This is one of the best women's hybrid bikes on the market today. The price really is incredible for what you get, like the lightweight aluminum frame, the 24-speed shifter, rust-resistant alloy construction, and front fork with RST technology to make your ride as smooth as possible on every terrain. I can easily recommend this bike as one that you should seriously consider if you're looking for a great women's hybrid bike. For less than $1 you get all of the features that you would find in much more expensive hybrids. Plus, you get free shipping with this bike, which actually saves you quite a bit of money, making it even more attractive. Thank you everyone for watching us till the end. It would be a great pleasure for us if you are a little help with this video. Comment us below.